Welcome to Dubai's dynamic digital marketplace. Are you ready to elevate your business online but feel uncertain about where to begin? Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a pivotal decision for achieving success in the UAE's rapidly expanding online market. Dubai's e-commerce market is experiencing significant growth, projected to reach an impressive $9.2 billion by 2026. With high mobile penetration and a tech-savvy population, establishing a robust online presence is no longer merely an option. It is an absolute necessity for businesses here. Shopify stands out for its incredibly user-friendly interface and straightforward setup process, making it an excellent choice for many businesses. It's particularly well-suited for those looking to launch their online store quickly without requiring extensive technical skills or development knowledge. As a hosted platform, Shopify manages all aspects of hosting, security, and maintenance, allowing you to focus entirely on your business operations. It also offers a vast array of apps and plugins to extend functionality and supports multi-channel selling across various platforms. WooCommerce, a powerful plugin for WordPress, provides extensive customization options and remarkable flexibility for your online store. This open-source platform is ideal for businesses seeking full control over their online presence and possessing some technical expertise. It integrates seamlessly with WordPress, offering robust content management capabilities alongside your e-commerce functions. However, WooCommerce requires self-hosting, meaning businesses are responsible for managing their own hosting, security, and updates. For businesses with highly specific needs or complex operational requirements, a custom e-commerce solution often presents the optimal path forward. This approach allows for the creation of a platform meticulously tailored to your unique brand identity and precise customer demands. Custom solutions offer unparalleled flexibility and complete control, capable of integrating seamlessly with your existing business systems. While they demand a significant investment in development and ongoing maintenance, the result is a truly unique and powerful online presence. It is crucial to remember that operating an e-commerce business in Dubai necessitates strict compliance with local laws and regulations. Ensure you possess all necessary licenses and permits and always adhere to the consumer protection guidelines established by the UAE. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a critical decision that will significantly impact your business's success in Dubai. Whether you opt for the simplicity of Shopify, the flexibility of WooCommerce, or a fully custom solution, ensure it aligns perfectly with your business goals and local requirements. Need expert guidance navigating the complex e-commerce landscape? Contact MAQ Computer Services LLC for unparalleled support. Call us today at 055-494-3599 to transform your online business.